Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a fully truckerized Ranger RCI 99 N4 for Ivan in Kentucky. Ivan, we got you ready to go, bud. Fully modded out, tune alignment, Toshiba regulator, high cut filter, and 10 kilohertz switch right here on the back. This is your amp on off switch. Unlock the clarifier, Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade, all the audio and power mods, etc. Also added fuse, fixed you up there on your pigtail that somebody had cut off. So let me just show you what we got here. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug, 25 watts all the way down, 120 all the way up. So your average power swing, about 165, 170, 1000 watt slug and bird, 600 watts. All right, Ivan, this thing's ready to come to you, man. Hope you have a good weekend. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. You got wise and got truckerized. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.